Hello guys, welcome back to another video. This time it's like a vlog style video. And you know what? We've got something special here for you guys today. Unboxing a 3070. One thing you may notice about today's video is the audio isn't exactly the greatest. That's because I'm recording on a GoPro style thing, and it doesn't have the best of audio. The other thing is view. It's kind of a little bit too far up. Let's see if I can adjust it very much without revealing my face, because I don't really want to do that for YouTube just yet. Maybe at 1,000 subscribers or something, we can do something special, or a Twitch thing, actually. Yeah. This is a pretty good card, and let's just figure out how to unbox it here. Oop, I don't want to rip the box. I want to save it. I'm one of those kinds of people. Where is the tab? There's the tab. Pull that. Bring that up. Just show you guys here. There's this tab right here. You pull that out, and then you pull this out. And then, ooh, it's going to be difficult. There. We get this. Just throw that onto my bed. And now we get some really cool styrofoam. I assume this is driver disc for those people that do use it. No, it isn't. It's instruction manual and components, requirements, and some other stuff. Boom. This is a nice package. And here is the real deal. The MSI Ventus 2X GeForce RTX 3070. There's quite a few X's in there. Let's tape off. Now, I'm going to be extremely careful with this card. It is heavy. Just throw that. It can stay on the floor. That's fine. Now this is a really cool graphics card, and they've been out of stock for the longest time. Let's just show this here. Lighting is still crappy. Oh man. Let's see if I can fix that as well. There we go. That's much better. Now, this card, I don't have very many specs on it, so I'll probably be doing that a little bit later. But you can see, it's pretty thick. I think it's 2.5 slot, for those of you that care. And it's about a foot. I should probably look up the specs on this, but I'm not going to do that for now. We're just going to look at the fan, or the design of it, and a lot of the stuff that I do know. Now, I do know that this card runs at about 1700 megahertz, which is pretty fast. I think some of the faster ones come at 2000. This is boost clock, by the way. And you can see here, dual fan, and some of you may get mad at me for picking the dual fan variant, but it's what was in stock. And those of you that do know, the 3070s, 30 series graphics cards are notoriously out of stock everywhere, all of the time. So whatever you can get is whatever you can get. And it came with a bundle deal with, let me just grab it here. Oh! This case, which you'll probably learn a little bit more about later. Oh man, I might have to blur my face there. See if editing me remembers that. Okay. But yeah, it came in a bundle deal. It is a great card, no matter what, and it's going to get heavily bottlenecked by the rest of my components. Speaking of, let's look at what my old graphics card was. Wow, that's really way in the front. Let's move this. Now this is what I used to have, Zotac GeForce 1060. Obviously, I don't have the real card out because it's still in my computer over there, because I'm not taking it out until I put this beastly thing in. Now another thing is I did order some RAM, because my old RAM is slow, and it is maybe not enough. We're going to do a PC building video very soon, and yeah, we'll see some stuff with that.
Let's take a look at specs right here, shall we? We're on MSI website where they've got all this stuff. GeForce RTX 3070 Ventus 2X overclocked edition. That is what I got. It's got 5,888 CUDA cores, it has a core clock of 1755 megahertz. I did get that right. It's got 14 gigabytes per second memory speed, 8 gigabytes of GDDR6, which I also got right. 256 megabyte memory bus. Wow, words. It's got, yeah, 3 display ports and 1 HDMI 2.0. See, power consumption is 220 watts, and we'll get to that in my next video. We'll see a little bit of issues. We've got 2 8-pin connectors, which we discussed. It recommends a 650 watt PSU, but you can go with different stuff. Here is card dimensions. It's about 10 inches long. Just make sure that your card can, or your case can hold that card. And you can support up to 4 displays, which, you know, if it's got 4 things to plug into, then that kind of makes sense. And it can display up to 4K, and don't expect any 4K videos from me, because that's going to take way too long to upload. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So, I mean, this card is amazing, and it's going to change this channel for the better. You should see, Arc was pretty much a 40 FPS at best gameplay. And, you know, that's pretty good. You guys can only see up to 60 FPS, but I'm hoping to bring this up to 100. Minecraft and Overwatch are 2 other games that I've recorded on this channel. They won't get as much of a... They will get a bigger boost, but you won't see anything because they both display above 60 FPS. So, overall, this is a really good card. I would recommend going for a 3-fan design, so maybe the Ventus 3X, you know? But for the time being, this is all I need. And yeah, if you like this video, guys, be sure to like it. If you like this kind of content, be sure to subscribe, because we're going to come out with a new video like this one very soon. And I will see you guys in the next one. I want all of you to have a great day.